Mirena thĩ yothe thutha wa mũteng'eri igweta gũthe bũrũri-inĩ na nja wa bũrũri Kelvin Kiptum ũrĩa anyitĩrĩire rekodi ya thĩ mahenya-inĩ ma gũtua ng'ongo kũhurũka.
Has been a friend as well. He has been training also here in Elgeyo Marakwet. Personally, I was former athlete, winner of Linz Marathon twice. It really came as a shock to us and all that fraternity, especially those of us who trained together in Elgeyo Marakwet County. Remember that his world record was just ratified 5 days ago after he broke the world record in Chicago. And Kiptum is one of the upcoming and young talented guys that everyone has hope in. We really expected that Kiptum is going to run sub 2 hours in Rotterdam Marathon, which was scheduled for April. And also we had very high hope that Kiptum is going to reclaim also the world marathon in the Olympics, given the fact that we are doing the marathons in this summer in Paris, France. Now that his dreams have been shattered, it really came as a big shock. It comes as a big surprise to everyone. We are saddened by this loss. Kiptum has a young family. We really praying that God will give the family really peace during this trying moment. We are athletes. We have tried to gather together. We are assembling. We'll make sure that will support the family in every circumstance.
Arahurũkire arĩ na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 24 mutino-inĩ wa barabara kuma Elgeyo Marakwet gũthiĩ Aldama Ravine. Nyabara wake kuma bũrũri wa Rwanda Gavais Hakizama onake nĩ atete muoyo wake mutino-inĩ ũcio. Mĩrĩ yao ĩratwarirwo nyũmba-inĩ ya kũiga mĩrĩ ya Roscos county ya Uasin Gishu.
Maybe the Kevin is good, strong. I live together maybe 2 years. I stay together, send me maybe help. Totally, but I want to believe in every day. So maybe my condolence for your family. He maybe stay here, the first boy. 2,000 down. So this me speak for the world athlete in South America, the Brazil. My condolences, he's already there.
Mungu anajua mambo yote. So tuwachie Mungu mambo yote, as my colleague said, tusikosoane sababu Mungu anajua.
Kelvin Kiptum ahotanire mahenya matatũ marĩa anyitire itemi kuma Dithemba mwaka wa 2022 nginya mwaka mũhĩtũku mweri wa kana.
We just want to ask the rest of the members of the country to pray for the family of the departed heroes, and that we shall have peace in our hearts. We shall also join hands with the family and the sporting fraternity to ensure that Kelvin Kiptum and his coach get a decent, send off from the day side of us. We want to say poleni sana to the Kenyans and much more to the family of the departed hero. Poleni sana.